Hey everyone! So today we're heading out to London. It's Easter Sunday today and it's a street eats halal food festival thing. So it's me and Nafia and we got the kids as well. Nafia looks so cute. You look so cute, baby. Whoa, whoa, cracking if you like. The thing is I've lost my voice. I'm trying to sing it and it just, no. Focus kind of in orange. I love this green with this long coat thing. Oh, I love these.
Who got you those, Maria? What are those?
These are my Mother's Day gift from Rizwan, my husband. And these are some pants from Zara. I love the pants. And I just picked this new bag up from TK Maxx yesterday. And I freaking love it.
Hello? No, it's like 3 hours away.
3 hours away, ma. We belong together. When the sun comes up, take your I've lost my voice.
Wow.
Together. She's still going.
Oh, I know. Thank God you're still stuck now.
So we've touched down in London and now we're trying to find the old Spitalfields market.
Hey, stop
Caleb,
it.
am I? What are you doing? Yeah, but it's 15 minutes away, so we're trying to go 15 minutes with these kids. This way, please. Slow down. He's already fed up and it's been like 10 minutes. She said 5 minutes ago, I want to go home. Great story, eh? We're a bit lost. We're trying to find the old Spitalfields. We've been lost for about half an hour now. It's unbelievable. Half an hour and they said 10 minutes away from where we parked. Finally, mother effing made it. Finally. First stop of the day, we're getting fries day. Fries day every day. Woo!
Try the rest, I'll try the best.
Oh. I was really expecting it to like explode.
No,
Look at this.
they're really hot. Give it a couple of minutes. Yeah.
These dirty fries look incredible. How is it now?
So nice. It's smoky with this hint of
Oh, okay.
whatever.
Yum. Getting some mac and cheese. So good. Try this one. Let's give it a little go. Ooh, look at this. Oh, I'm spilling it. That is good. How yum is this? They finished. There's no gravy left, but still. Only jerky and chicken. I just picked up the Dalish ice cream. This is the mango one. Which one is this one?
Mango and succum, or I don't know.
Sakumba, and that's pistachio one.
Pistachio.
The kids are enjoying this one.
Halwa.
Halwa.
Chocolate and
Ew.
halwa.
Oh, great. Well, I'm gonna eat this one. This is so good. There is some wheel cakes. We picked up the wheel cake finally. This looks so good. Let me try it. Okay. It's a delish.
Where's tomorrow? Monday, nothing. I'm not doing it.
Do you love it?
It's gonna be with the husband.
We've eaten, I think, our body weight amount of food right now. It was, I'll be completely honest, the jerk chicken was a bit salty.
Yeah.
Wasn't it? It was a bit, and there was no gravy left as well, so
Hey, hold on.
I really wanted the chicken.
Yeah.
People were saying it was amazing, but it's
We
fine.
need one in Cardiff, innit?
Yeah, we do. Somebody needs to do a halal food festival in Cardiff.
Why don't we do it?
I don't know, nobody.
Yeah, you do. Everyone knows you, though.
No?
Alright then. I'll do one.
This is the situation with the kids at the minute.
You know what this place looks like?
Yeah.
In front of the BBC One.
Yeah, it does.
Isn't it?
Yes, it does. It really
Whatever
does.
it is.
Maybe. I'm gonna go try to head out to Trafalgar Square right now. Trying to find whether we need to take a train or a bus or what the hell.
You got so much food in your lower teeth.
Really? Ooh.
That's a jerk chicken, that's the fries, that's a bit of the Dalish ice cream.
Okay. The ice cream was
3-course meal.
bomb.
Huh?
You know, ice cream was so good.
No, not the one that the later one.
What about the sour cherry one? Was it nice?
Well, you didn't have it?
Yeah, no, but did you like it? I loved it.
Very nice. We probably should come to London again though.
Yeah, we will. People were like,
but I think this time we should
what are
take
you
the
doing
train.
in London? I was like, to eat. We've come to eat everything. And we did eat everything. The one thing that pissed me off about the place is because they said it was 12 till 6 and then they closed everything at 5. And we came so late, so it was kind of rubbish for us. But we still ate. I think it was a sign from Allah to close it because we were just eating like too much food. So we're going to Nafi's vehicle and we found this little place is the Lady Dina's Cat Emporium. And look, they have little kitty inside. How cute.
Should we try it?
Yeah, bubble tea would be nice.
Cheese tea.
Ew, I don't know. And so we're here getting some bubble tea in this Japanese place. How cute. I know. Everything's just pink.
What was the last one we gave you? Do you remember?
Oh, look at that bubble tea. Yummy yum. What is this place? Golden Tea. Golden Tea from Brick Lane. Blick Lane. Blick Lane. Let's try it now. Transfer toilet again. Touchdown in London town. We're in the Street Eats Fest.
Every time I try and want to do something with you, you always
Oh my goodness, Naf, this is so good. So Naf, what did you think of today?
Very, very good. Very good.
Are you stuffed?
I've got 3 stomachs right now.
We've ate so much. Astaghfirullah. And alhamdulillah too. No. Yum. Wait.
This is my first time.
Oh my goodness, guys. We're on a bus. We've never been on a bus. It's quite funny. Wow. London is heaving full of people. Oh my god. We are going on the tube. Nafi's never been on the tube. Ever.
So privileged.
Look at the excitement in Nafi's face. She's so excited. You're enjoying it? Yeah. He's kissing Pikachu.
Oh, they look. Oh, look at them.
Oh, let me take a picture of them. We finally made it to Trafalgar Square. Finally. I feel like this was like a movie. Caleb, look, a fire show. Look, it's a show. Only in Trafalgar Square, eh? Caleb, get up, baby. Really enjoying it. Wow, it's another guy too. Guy is so good. They really enjoy this, these two.
Yeah, look at them.
Maya, is it fun? So we're up in the Trafalgar Square thingy, but how the hell am I gonna get down? Caleb's as worried as me. So excited, she's taking selfies on the train. Nafi's never been on the tube. How do you feel?
I feel so excited.
Yes, baby. Yeah, we're done. Wait. She wants to go home. We're in Trafalgar Square. Came to the train station and basically we didn't know how to get to Brick Lane. And then I was telling the guy, the main guy, if he could help tell me which train to take. Krishna said that he will take me, Nafi and the kids to Brick Lane because he's going that way.
Okay?
So just in case you don't make it alive, Krishna from which train station is it? This is so rude because he even offered to take us and we're still baiting him out. But just in case, you know.
Yeah, just in case.
Just in case he kills us. We're in Charing Cross train station.
What does he look like? He looks like an Indian guy.
Well, basically, Krishna, we decided not to go with Krishna because it was kind of freaky.
Yeah.
And Nafi was...
And I had to tell Malia that that's not right.
Yeah.
And she was like, why? Why? He's gonna drop us. So I saved her.
The kids are tired as hell. And we will see you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed the London trip.